Left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your fingers. 6, 7, 8. Stomach in. 9, 10. Release. Cow pose. Inhale. Chaturanga. Exhale. No, do not lift the knees. Knees down. Chaturanga. Push up. Inhale. Down. Exhale. Up. Inhale. One more. Down. Exhale. Up. Inhale. Left hand under. Right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Cow pose. Inhale. Cat pose. Exhale. Cow. Inhale. Do not bring the knees up. Just bring them down. Chaturanga. Push up. Tatlo pa. Down. Up. Isa na lang. Down. Upward dog. Melt your heart. Bend your knees. Hold your feet. Lift and inhale. Lift and inhale. 1 up. 2. Knees higher. 3. Chest higher. 4. Allow your legs to lift higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Downward dog. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your heels. Keep the heels up. Chest closer to legs. Right leg up. Chest closer to legs. Do not move your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Heels down. Heels down. Heels down. Toes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heels up. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. All fours. Cow pose. Cat pose. Cow pose. Right hand raise. Left leg kicks up. 1. Point the toes. 2. Squeeze the leg. 3. Stomach in. 4. It's going to fall. 5, 6, 7. Higher than 8, 9, 10. Release. Cow pose. Inhale. Cat pose. Exhale. Cow. Inhale. 3 chaturangas. Exhale. Up. Inhale. Down. Exhale. Up. Inhale. One more. Down. Exhale. Up. Inhale. Okay. Left under. Right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Higher. 5. Stomach in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg up. Look at your hands. Left hand, finger pads. Like this. Left hand. 1. Only left hand. 2, 3, 4. Those who want more. Left hand, 1 inch from the floor. 5. Away from the floor. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Left leg 5, finger pads. 6, 7, 8, 9, up. And 1, 2, 1 each from floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cow pose. Cat pose. Cow inhale. Thread. Right hand. Left hand up. Stomach in. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze it. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Ready? Inhale. Wrap your left hand around your back. Pull that thigh. 1 side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe. Cow pose. Inhale. Cat pose. Exhale. Cow pose. Inhale. Left hand. Exhale. Right hand. Inhale.
What?
Right leg. Exhale. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8. He's 8. Higher. 9. Wrap around hand. 1. Right hand to left thigh. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Cow pose. Inhale. Cat pose. Exhale. Cow pose. Inhale. Cat. Exhale. Inhale. Okay, you take a look. Final pose. One. Up. In. Left. Cow pose. Gawin lahat yan. Cat pose. Cow pose. Okay, squeeze the mirror. Right hand.
Pang naloob. Ano ba yan? Jasper.
Okay, left leg up.
What?
Nails on in. Left hand up. Ready? Squeeze the abs. Right foot up. Nice. 1, 2. Stay muna. 3, 4, 5. Left leg bends. Left hand and left foot. Hanapin. Okay? And smile. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Cow pose. Cat pose. Cow pose. Inhale. Cat. Exhale. One more. Cow pose. Left hand. Right hand. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right foot. Open. 1. Smile. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next week. Please.
Yes!
Cow pose. Cat pose. Cow pose. Inhale. Cat pose. Exhale. Cow. Inhale. Cross your legs. Sit. Legs and legs in front. Heels up. Chest out. Hands aside. 1. Not knee to the back of the front. 2, 3. Knees below. Head. 2, Slightly bend your knees. Bring the feet out. Inhale. 4, here. 1. Outside the here. 2, 3. Nice. 4,
Ano ba?
5,
Ang yan?
6,
Makrosser.
7, 8, 9, 10, 3.
Ano ako naman naka-flex lang.
Bend your knees. Inhale. Outside. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Breathe in. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Okay. Inhale. Right knee, hands to sides, left hand to right knee. Exhale, look up and bring the right knee towards the left side. 1. Let's look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center, switch, and exhale, right side. Center, inhale. Hands overhead. Grab hold of elbows. Relax the abs. Lift your legs. Slightly bend your knees. Close your eyes. You can spread your feet a bit wider. Okay, close your eyes. Focus on just lifting and relaxing. Mentally counting 20 till 0. As you reach 0, trying to relax. Legs. Bring them down. 20